Welcome to the Flow Tao Salon. Inside the modern makeup bag, the objects look familiar, but the data tells a story of hidden conflict. From 2023 to early 2026, Chinese makeup sales remained remarkably stable, holding between 30 and 80 billion RMB. But this hides a massive internal shift. While traditional beauty tools and eye products shrink, face makeup has seen a 17% surge in growth. The era of buying a specific lipstick simply because a mega celebrity endorsed it has largely passed. The celebrity-driven market of 2017 has fragmented into something far more complex. The modern consumer operates as a rational optimizer, demanding clinical efficiency and time-saving tech, but also using makeup to create deep, cinematic, emotional narratives. To meet these contradictory needs, makeup has evolved into a hybrid of high-tech skincare and identity creation. We've entered an era of tech-advanced, precise skincare. Consumers now evaluate cosmetics based on clinical results, expecting base products to work like high-performance serums. This deconstruction of a modern foundation shows how pigment and fillers have been replaced by active chemistry. We're seeing formulas built around peptides, squalane, and high-dose vitamin C. Lip products are following the same path. New formulas are arriving with up to 99% lip care serum and botanical oils, prioritizing long-term skin health over simple color. This focus on chemistry is driven by the early 8 a.m. commute. When time is the scarcest resource, every product has to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. This has led to the rise of integrated palettes and dual-use creams. This multi-pan layout, for example, is engineered to handle several facial application steps in a single compact unit. The cosmetic bag has become a kit of survival tools for the rational worker, designed to maximize every second of the morning routine. Beauty brands are mirroring this rationality in their corporate strategies. The reliance on a single, all-powerful celebrity spokesperson has become a liability. It is a high-risk model that is often too narrow for today's fragmented subcultures. Instead, brands use an endorsement matrix. A single brand might utilize 20 different titles, from global spokespeople to niche series ambassadors, to cover as much ground as possible. This matrix allows brands to sign a mix of traditional actors, professional athletes, and digital influencers to reach specific subgroups at the same time. This dispersed risk model is providing the platform for national brands to safely expand their footprint into international markets. This brings us back to why face makeup is the only core category showing double-digit growth. A flawless, uniform base provides the essential blank canvas for roleplay. To project a specific era or atmospheric mood, the user first has to reset their features. The classical flower goddess aesthetic, for example, relies on clean, oriental blank space to project a sense of wealthy, traditional elegance. In contrast, the retro revival trend uses warmer, moodier textures to recreate the specific atmospheric lighting and color palettes of vintage Hong Kong cinema. The Y2K spicy girl style goes even further, using makeup as a digital identity marker that signals a rebellious, highly specific subculture. These aesthetics function as identity creation tools, allowing users to physically transport themselves into a different persona to cope with the pressures of modern life. Success in the modern beauty market requires a perfect compromise between these two extremes. On a physical level, the product must save time and protect the skin through advanced chemistry. At the same time, it must give the user the tools to visually enter a different era or cinematic role. The market has shifted from functional stacking, simply adding more features, to engineering outcomes that solve for a consumer's entire lifestyle. Direct to camera. Thank you for joining us. 陶醉沙龙，马年兴隆。